Hello, I'm Sehi Park from Samsung Electronics. Today, I would like to introduce you to Samsung Flip, a digital flip chart that is a perfect fit for any business wanting to present information effectively and change frequently. Can you find something special about the screensaver that you see here? You can use the default screensaver saved in Flip, but you also have the ability to change the screensaver to the customized design. For example, today I wanted to promote Flip, so I've saved this as my customized image. You can also set your brand image as the screensaver to reinforce your branding in both landscape and portrait modes. Samsung Flip offers a very special option of both whiteboard and blackboard. To change the color of the Flip, go into the middle for the menu and you will see a blackboard option. And the board is now completely black. The only thing changed here is that when you write, it will appear as a chalkboard writing. You can also customize the pen settings to match your own style. Let's go to the menu in the middle. Go to Settings. In the pen section, you can see that you can change both thickness and color palette for pen and highlighter. For example, going into the highlighter part, you can see that there are 4 color palettes available: Basic, Pastel, Mermaid, and City. Right now I'm using Flip exclusive stand, but if you prefer to not use the stand due to, let's say, limited space, for example, then you can wall mount the Flip. Even using wall mounts, you can flexibly orient in both landscape and portrait modes. All files that have been created are automatically saved. Even the coffee latte content here that we have created together has been saved automatically on Samsung Flip. When you look at the Role Explorer, you can see all the automatically saved contents all at once. Another useful feature of Samsung Flip is that you can open Full HD images in full screen modes. It means that you can use Flip Display as game boards, schedule boards, study boards, or any board you want. You can write and erase the drawings freely on the full screen image. This feature enables you to use Samsung Flip with various customized ways. Samsung offers various useful templates on the website. Visit us at displaysolutions.samsung.com and download any templates you need. Additionally, I'll show you how you can protect your content from other people tampering it, particularly in a public space. Let's look at this menu board as an example. I have listed all the prices for my menu, but today I feel good and I want to put my espresso on sale into $2.50. After changing the price, I want to make sure that people walking by don't touch my menu board. How I do so, go into the menu in the middle, click onto Screen Lock, enter your password, and now the screen is completely locked. This means that whoever walking by cannot erase the prices that I have written, nor write on Flip. How do I then unlock the menu board? Very simple. Touch onto the menu board for a while, press OK for unlock, enter the password that you have entered before. Now it's very easy to edit as the owner of the menu board. You've seen that content security is a very important concept for us. Another helpful feature along this line is to lock USB ports and network. How we do so? Let's go back into the menu and settings. In the system, there is advanced settings. Entering the password for the Flip, you will see options available for USB lock and network lock. Through this, you can lock and unlock both USB and network. As you have seen, Samsung Flip is the ultimate platform for retailers to produce creative and stylish content. I hope you enjoy Samsung Flip, one of its kind digital display to customize your own messages.